Opinion about exclusive partner without commitment. Exclusive, no commitment. Ano? Mga kings and queens, quick thoughts. Let's go. Ito para malinaw lang ang exclusive dating or ang exclusivity, pinapasok nyo yun para makita ninyo kung papantay ba yung negotiables tsaka non-negotiables ninyo individually. Okay? Para alam ninyo if you can up the level to being in a relationship officially or this is not gonna work out, we have to stop this connection. Yun ang point ng exclusivity. Ngayon, kung sasabihin nyo sa akin na exclusive kami pero hindi kami committed sa isa't isa, that's BS. E di kung usapang non-negotiables, faithfulness, tablado na. Correct? So mag-work pa ba to bilang tinatansya natin kung pwede tayong pumasok sa isang relasyon officially? Siyempre hindi na. Exclusivity and commitment, I believe, goes hand in hand. So yun lang. Tangin sana malinaw yun. Kasi gumagawa na naman kayo ng panibagong problema. Kung sinabi nyong exclusive kami sa isa't isa pero hindi kami committed sa isa't isa, ano yun? What the fuck is that? Hindi ako galit sa nag-comment. Baka nalilito din siya kasi pati ako nalilito eh. Pero sige, kausapin ko na lang kayo. Kayong maayos mag-isip, ha? Ladies and gentlemen, pag pumasok po kayo ng exclusive dating, exclusive, ikaw at ako lang, kayong dalawa lang ang nandyan. Okay? It equates to commitment din. You have to show this person you are ready to commit. Kaya nga kayo pumapasok sa exclusive dating. Okay? Walang malabo dun. Because you want to weigh everything. Kaya kayo nasa exclusivity. You want to make sure that this person is the right person for you. Ngayon, kung ganyan ang mindset ng naging partner ninyo, exclusive partner ninyo, no? Edi alam nyo na, hindi pang jowa yan. Okay? Sana malinaw yun, my young kings and queens. I'll see you in the next vid. Stream our songs on all streaming platforms. Other than that, nice